Hey guys, this is the 21st March and this is summary for today. And I came out for like 2 hours and I didn't open any sets, but what I have learned today is that you know, like in any journey in life, it just takes a test. Sometimes you just feel like that's depressing. It's like depressing is right word. Like sometimes it just feels like there's no way out, or I'm just doing again and again. There's no outcome to it. But if you just look at the like monthly goal, oh yeah, that's a good idea. I should just look it down. I just note down my monthly progress. Monthly progress I can track. Like for example, at month start, I was just feeling afraid to go out or afraid to like all people are looking at me, and now it's not there. So the monthly progress works in this way. Daily or maybe weekly also progress, you can't track it, and that just feels like there is no reward. And we have been also at this my new tattoos and nice, and it just feel quite depressing that just I'm just doing something, I'm not getting anything, and doesn't seem there's anything. So I think that's what I do in my trading. I just start my day, I just start my week. At the weekend I just like write what are the errors that I have done, or how I proceed. If there is any error, if there's no error, that's good. I just track on my weekly performance, how much I made, how much I didn't lose. So I can also keep track of my trading system and just keep bettering it at weekly basis. And that's what I need to do also in pickup. But I'm just like in quite good space in this, and once you like start doing every day something, and some days are not good, some days are very good. But there's one thing that you just move forward, just like do that thing again and again. And at times it just feels like quite depressing just to keep doing it and without getting anything. So that's what I was feeling like at a day start when I just came here. It could also be that I'm just listening a lot of sad musics, and it could also be a part of it. But what I think I'm just like what I'm learning is that I'm just learning how to feel these things also. It's like this, in life, like you have like breakup, you have like bad time, and you just feel bad, and you never felt bad. So it just like hits you hard, and then you decide like why is this there, and that's like a part of human experience. Just like being human is like just experience like the ups and downs, and that's what makes a human, that it's an emotional creature. And also I have one more theory around this, is that once we not control, like control is not right word, but just for understanding, when we control our emotion, once we accept them, once we let them pass, intuition starts to come in. And I see them with in women like most commonly. It's not like they're very good at emotion, but you just see that intuition part is they have like this good sense that I can feel, and men also have it, but only a few men have it who has like mastered that thing. That's my take on this. It's just like once you pass this thing, and once you accept all the things, and then you just start trusting yourself in everywhere, and that's where the intuition comes. It's just like trusting yourself on uncertain situation. And I think that's about it for today. I'm going to end now. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share, subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.